In the wave of science and technology, the infinite world is gradually emerging. In the intersection of virtual and real, everything in the world is connected with infinite possibilities. On this boundary line connecting virtual and real, there is a name that shines. Dongguan Xiangyun Connector Co. Limited is a manufacturing high-tech enterprise that produces standard and customized connectors. It is committed to providing high-performance standard and customized connector products and services, as well as complete connector solutions to global customers. Since taking root in Chang'an Town, Guangdong Province in 2006, the company has adhered to the business purpose of market-leading, innovation-driven, quality-first, followed business ethics, actively fulfilled social responsibilities, and strived to set an example in the professional field. Dongguan Xiangyun Connector Co. Limited specializes in the production of housing, terminal, wafer, and various types of connectors, and undertakes precision manufacturing OEM and ODM projects. The company's main products are Power Fit series, wire-to-wire, wire-to-board, and other connectors. The product technology is widely used in the new energy vehicles, industrial control equipment, energy storage, and consumer electronics. At the same time, we have also established close cooperative relations with internationally renowned companies. Focusing on R&D and leading by technology, the company has several core manufacturing departments, including stamping, injection molding, assembly, etc. It has a variety of advanced equipment and multiple automated production lines in the industry, and is committed to creating an efficient and exquisite production process in order to achieve management innovation, quality first. The company is specially equipped with high-precision product quality testing equipment, from environmental protection testing of raw materials to visual system testing of each link of finished products, multiple links, and multiple quality inspections, following comprehensive quality control to ensure zero defects in products. Leading the era of wisdom and striving for excellence, the company has successfully passed ISO 9001, IATF16949, ISO 14001, and other authoritative quality system certifications and UL and CUL product certifications, and has also obtained National High-Tech Enterprise certification and specialized new certification. On the road of continuous pursuit of excellence and innovation, the company has a number of practical patents, software patents, and invention patents, demonstrating technical strength and goal pursuit. In the future, we will focus more on product research and development, improve product production efficiency, ensure product quality, and strive to develop higher performance, more reliable, and more advanced connector products. Our vision is to make the world recognize China's intelligent manufacturing. We will also lead the future development trend of the connector industry with a more forward-looking strategic vision and continuous innovation power, and make Xiangyun Connector a globally trusted brand. We are not only a manufacturer of connectors, but also a promoter and participant in the digital age. We are committed to providing the best quality connector products and solutions to customers around the world. Every connection is a commitment to the future. Let us work together towards a more intelligent, efficient, and convenient future world.